dear students, as you know that we are doing the graphical presentation of data from the part statistics of economics. In this, we are doing the type frequency distribution graph, in which we have already done line frequency graph, histogram in my two parts, frequency polygon. I have done histogram in two parts, frequency polygon in the previous video, and today we are going to start with frequency curve. Frequency curve is not different from frequency polygon actually, but the difference is there. Polygon is made using scale, straight line. Frequency curve is made free-handedly like this in a curve manner. That's why it is called frequency curve and it is polygon. So there is no other difference between frequency polygon and frequency curve apart from this. So joining the midpoints of the rectangles by smooth freehand curve. Main thing is this smooth freehand curve. ये है हमारा frequency curve. जो भी हमारा histograms है या without histogram, we can make it with histogram also and without histogram also. It is drawn by joining the midpoint of the tops of the rectangles of the in a histogram through freehand smooth curve. The main thing is freehand smooth curve. Like we do in histogram and frequency polygon, frequencies are always plotted on y-axis and class intervals are always plotted on x-axis. This point the figure so obtained is extended. जो भी फिगर आई उसको हम बढ़ा देते हैं, उसको बेस से ज्वाइन करके राइट साइड भी और लेफ्ट साइड भी ज्वाइन कर देते हैं एक्स एक्सिस के साथ थ्रू द एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स. राइट नाउ व्हेन आई विल मेक द फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. एंड सबसे मेन बार बार बोला जा रहा है फ्री हैंड स्मूथ कर्व. यू डोंट हैव टू यूज स्केल व्हाइल मेकिंग दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी कर्व. बट if it has been asked that you have to draw it using histogram, so first you have to use the histogram, and while using the histogram you have to use scale, right? This is the question you have to make frequency curve. This is a question using the following data construct frequency curve with histogram and without histogram. So let us make it using histogram and without histogram one by one. And now I'll draw the histogram in which we'll come to know about the histogram and how to make the frequency curve. First we'll continue with number 1 with histogram. Now you will come to know about how to make frequency curve with histogram in this diagram, and the second diagram will be of without histogram. So look at the diagram first. We have taken y-axis and x-axis. On y-axis we always used to take frequencies, that means number of students frequency. This is origin. Here we have taken marks, that means class intervals, right? So marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So what we'll do is we'll take 10, 10 scale. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 marks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Mind it, the difference between each scale should be same, 1 centimeter only. And same with the y-axis. Here we can take 5, 10. ये हम कैसे लेते हैं, हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं वैल्यूज हमारे पास कौन कौन सी गिवन है. तो 15 भी है, 25 भी है. खाली 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 हो तो हम 10, 10 का गैप ले लेते हैं. अब 15 भी है तो हम ले सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा डेटा नहीं है तो 5, 50 गैप में हम ले सकते हैं. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. यहाँ पे भी हमें ध्यान रखना है दो स्केल्स के बीच में जो गैप है वो बिल्कुल सेम होना चाहिए, 1 centimeter. So first here we will make histogram. How to make histogram? We have to make the rectangle bars here to make a histogram. 0 to 10 it is 10. We plot a rectangle here, 10. From 0 to 10 it is 10, right? 10. You can write here 10. From 10 to 20 it is 15. We'll join it and we'll make up to 10 to 20 it is 15. Then it is 20. We'll make it 20. From 20 to 30 it is 20. Then it is 40. ये 40 तक जाएगा. Beta, you all have to use scale. I cannot use scale here. That's why my lines maybe get disturbed or curved. But this should be the straight line. Mind it, again and again I'm saying I cannot use scale here. So you have to use scale while making histogram. Please make use of scale. My histogram can be of curved lines because right now I cannot use scale here while explaining, right? Board hota, notebook hoti, I would have also explained it using scale, but right now I'm not having scale. I am having, but I cannot use scale here, right? So how to make frequency curve now? What we have to do is we have to take the center points of all the rectangles, top of the rectangles, right? At the top, and we will join these center points with a freehand curve. Mind it, you don't have to use scale while making the curve. कर्व की तरह फ्री हैंड बनता जाएगा. अब यहाँ तक तो बन गया, फिगर आ गई, बट इस फिगर को हमें कंप्लीट करना है. कंप्लीट कैसे करेंगे? बाय जॉइनिंग इट विद द बेस लाइन. आगे 50 to 60 में हमने एक बेस बना दिया, उस पर ज्वाइन कर लिया, और एक जीरो से पीछे नेगेटिव में हमने सेंटर में ही लगाना है. ध्यान रहे, यहाँ आ जाएगा -10, ये 10, ये 0 to -10 के बीच में इसको हमने पॉइंट लगा के यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर दिया. दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. Apart from this, what we have to make in the graph is scale. We have to write the scale. Y-axis is equal to, क्या है y-axis के अंदर? 1 centimeter is equals to 5 students. And x-axis में क्या है? 1 centimeter is equals to 10 marks. This is the scale. How can we make frequency curve without histogram? Is make line, y-axis, x-axis. This is number of students, frequency, origin, these are marks, class intervals you can say, same 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. What you have to do is you have to take equal scale. मैं बार बार हर अपनी वीडियो में बोलती हूँ कि स्केल आपको इक्वल लेना है. So how do we make frequency curve here without histogram? We have to see 0 to 10, right? First is 0 to 10 and we have to take 10. From 0 to 10 marks we have 10 students, so we'll look at the center here. Not at 10. From 0 to 10 we look at the center, make a circle. From 10 to 20 it is 15. Make a point here on 15, in between the 10 to 20 marks, the center, okay? From 20 to 30, taking as a center, come to 20, mark 20, right? From 30 to 40, taking as a center, mark 40, it is 40 here. From 40 to 50 it is 25. At the center only we have to mark 25. Right? These are our points. Join these points free-handedly. You don't have to use scale. You can look here how I am making. You don't have to use scale. Make it like a curve, right? So that's why it becomes frequency curve. Now this is not a complete picture. We have to complete it by joining it to the base. So we'll extend this picture. We'll extend this curve to the center of the other marks class. So we'll join it here, okay, and at the negative x also we'll join it to the middle. So this is the frequency curve without histogram. You can write the points here: 10, 15, 20, 40 and 25. This is very important to write the marks so that it will become very easy for the viewer to view this frequency curve and understand what the curve is trying to explain. So we have to write the scale here. Again same scale, y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 5 students, and x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 marks. So this is how we make frequency frequency curve. I hope it is understood by you how to make frequency curve. Again I'm saying polygon, it is frequency curve which we make free-handedly. It is frequency curve, and if we make it using scale, a straight line, that will become frequency polygon. So I hope this much is clear to you. I want you all to please practice these graphs, all the graphs which I have explained in my all the videos. In my next video I'll be coming by O'Gibbs and cumulative frequency graph. So wait for my next video. It will be coming by tomorrow to you. And till here, all the best. God bless you.